Hello, young learners. Today we have a list of 10 exciting things starting with the letter N. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. You ready? Let's get started. Number 1, nature. Nature are all the animals on our beautiful planet. From the small to the large and everything in between, in the seas, in the sky and on the land. Number 2, numbers. Numbers are what we use to count with. They range from 0 all the way up to 9, and you can measure the teeniest thing all the way up to the largest thing with numbers. Number 3, time for a nap. A nap is like a short, quick sleep you might have in the afternoon after a big lunch. 10-15 minutes is perfect refresh for the rest of the day. Number 4, a name. You have a name, I have a name, everyone has a name. It's what we call each other. It's a way to know that you're talking to the right person. You also might give a name to an animal. Number 5, a nursery rhyme. A nursery rhyme is a short, catchy, bouncy little tune known all around the world. Something like Humpty Dumpty or Baa Baa Black Sheep. They're catchy little tunes. Number 6, your nose. Your nose is above your mouth and below your eyes. It helps you to smell things. And you often blow it to get rid of all that gunk up your nose. There you go. Good job. Number 7, nighttime. So as the earth spins away from the sun every day, you get night because it's dark, there's no light. And as it spins back towards the sun, at the start of a day, you have sunrise, the end of nighttime, beginning of daytime. Number 8, nutrition. It's important to have a balanced, nutritious diet. Lots of different colours, lots of different fruits and veg. Each of those contains vitamins and minerals, and they keep you strong and healthy. Number 9, a neighbour. A neighbour is someone you live next to. If you live in a house, they might be either side. If you live in a block of apartments like that, they could be above you, below you, around you. People say look out for your neighbours. And finally, number 10, nurturing. Nurturing is a bit like caring. It's what we do for each other. It's like looking after, being careful, being nice. So a nurse is known as being nurturing. Thanks for watching. See you again.